What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a first impressions of Hugo Boss Bottled United. But before we get into the first impressions, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just click that red subscribe button down below if you're enjoying my content. It does genuinely help me out and I really appreciate it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. For $65, and at that price I thought, why not? I know that it's a relatively recent release from Hugo Boss. I know it's been in the last few years, and I thought may as well give it a try. $65 for 100 ml. Everybody loves the sort of DNA of Hugo Boss Bottled. You know, it's a little aromatic, it's a little sweet, it's got that bold cinnamon note, but judging by the notes on the back, this is going to be quite a bit different. So we've got top notes of ozone accord, wild buchu leaf, heart notes of spearmint and peppermint, base notes, woody notes. So I'm hoping that this doesn't smell like chewing gum. I like chewing gum. I think it smells good when it's in chewing gum form, but when it's in a fragrance, that's a little dicey. So I'm gonna open up this and we're gonna look at it and hopefully it smells good. So here is the packaging without the plastic wrap. Classic Boss Bottled look, just with a different color scheme. And let's look at the bottle. Oh wow, it's completely chromed out. It reminds me of something that would have been popular in the early 2000s. Atomizer time. Let's give this a crack. It's okay, I guess. Typical of Boss Bottled. And on the skin. Straight away, it is slightly similar to the classic Boss Bottled. It actually reminds me a little more closely of Hugo Boss the scent, but then that has immediately been replaced by a light fruity freshness and some like juicy spice to it as well, which I attribute to the mint. It does not smell like chewing gum, so if you're at all concerned that this is going to smell like, you know, Wrigley's or PK or whatever is popular in your neck of the woods, I wouldn't be too worried about this smelling like chewing gum. It simply doesn't. It's actually quite similar to Boss Bottled Unlimited, which is the one with the white bottle and the green writing here. Yeah, it smells quite a bit different from the classic Boss Bottled. I don't get really any at all of that citrus or the cinnamon punch in the opening. It's fresh, it's on the lighter side, it's got a sweetness to it, and it's got sort of a juicy spiciness to it, which I attribute to the mint. The buchu, I don't actually know what buchu smells like, so that may be contributing to that juicy spiciness, or it may not be. I'll have to do some research on that. All in all, my first impressions of Boss Bottled United are pretty solid. I've always been a fan of the bottled DNA. I like that cinnamon note, I like that slight sweetness to it, and it's just really good for compliments, and it's not going to break the bank either. You can get a good solid bottle. I think at Chemist Warehouse, some of the lines are 200ml for less than $100. At those prices, they're pretty good value. This isn't bad at all. I quite like it, and I can imagine this getting quite a few compliments as well. If you are after a fragrance that costs less than $70, you want a slightly unique, juicy, fruity spiciness, I would recommend Boss Bottled United. Maybe check eBay first to see if it's cheaper there. I didn't do that, I just saw it and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just do that, no worries. Yeah. If you've ever worn Boss Bottled United before, let me know in the comments below, as I'm genuinely curious to find out what you think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel. This is Boss Bottled United, and I'll catch you guys around.